The most important thing for us traders is we want to be as efficient as possible, right? So we want to receive our breaking news events faster. So that's why professional traders, they use Bloomberg Terminal because it's fast. Okay, so this is the website that I'm talking about. It's called Newsquawk. You'll be able to see all the different news from different market moving factors in one place. Okay, so let's say for example, first one over here is equities. Global news. It's important for you to know what the global macro factors. And geopolitical events, it states here specifically, okay, what is this event classified under? European equities, UK equities, the data market analysis, then fixed income, what's happening in the bond markets, Asian equities, what's happening in the Asian markets, central bank news, other central banks, UK data, which are the UK economic indicators. Scroll down some more, then you have FX flows, larger FX options, expires for today's NY cut. Scroll down some more, economic commentary from politicians, then you have market analysis, so on and so forth. The main central banks like RBA, PBOC, then BOJ. So you can see that it's put all into one place. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you don't need to keep on shifting between different websites. Then you have multiple tabs open. Right now you have everything in one place. So it's very convenient for you. So the next point is you'll never miss a market moving event. And how do you trade and then never miss a news event at the same time? So that's why there's a different feature for this website, is that you can enable the audio feature. This is the main selling point of this website. So what you need to do is to click on start audio, and you can pick, do you want Forex news updates, multi-asset news updates? Okay, let's pick Forex. Okay, and turn on the volume a little bit, and you gotta wait for a while for the news to come in. Okay, as you scroll down, you can also see, okay, what's happening in the US equities market. To be specific, US stocks, Walmart, Amazon. Also commodities, what's happening to oil, crude oil right now, gold, which is classified under energy and power. Go down some more, you have the index, the Fed news, emerging market news, agricultures if you trade soft commodities. So it's like if you conduct intermarket analysis, which is very important, okay? This is very useful for you. Even if you trade Forex, you need to monitor stock market, commodities market, because nowadays market, they are interlinked to each other. Okay, you cannot afford to ignore other markets. Even if you focus on Forex specifically, you still need to kind of pay attention to other markets. Agree with me? And if you don't understand certain things, or you need some people to clarify things for you, like what's happening in the markets right now, like why is the market moving that way right now, you can send a one-on-one live message to their analysts. Okay, so let me try it. Let's just try. Okay, I said hi. In your opinion, what's the current market sentiment? Just want to test out whether they are bought or not. And then he replied tentatively, positive or improving after a few negatives to start a new week is my personal take, but not across the board by any means, as the weakness in crude oil shows clearly. But something tells me that this is kind of like an auto quick reply, so let me just try something else. Okay, let's try how's your day going? Smiley face. Okay, it's typing. Good, thanks. And you? Why does it feel like bot reply? Okay, let me try something else. Are you enjoying the weather in your country? So cannot. Basically, he's an analyst. Okay, he's here to help you with the markets. Please don't ask stupid questions like me. Okay, I just want to test out whether they are real human or not. Questions should we ask?
What?
Still very hot and sticky in London, waiting for thunderstorm to break the heat. I'm sorry. You are the real deal. Yep, Singapore is hot and sticky too.
And again, just on the Iranian front, just seeing lots more confirmation from the EU side that they are considering the Iranian response. And again,
So even if you're watching our charts, maybe looking at other websites, you can just listen to it. You know, you don't have to flip to a news website and then be like, Is there a new update? Is there a new update? You know what I'm saying? And somehow it's not that intrusive because it's not like it's okay, the news just updated. It's not that intrusive like if you have the CNBC or Bloomberg channel on TV, it's always in the background like talking, right? But this one only tells you about the news when it releases. There's no commercials in between, there's no noise in between, nothing. Yes, but you are more used to that than us. Anyway, thanks for it's up about the sentiment. So you can ask whatever that you have regarding the markets, but like I told you, don't rely on analysts' opinion too much because
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
At the end of the day, you still need to do your own research. Okay? Use analysts' opinion as a confirmation. Now the good thing is that you can talk to an analyst. You don't need to read different opinions from different websites and then get confused. Why this analyst say buy, then the other analyst say sell, then it's like, what do you want? So you get one-on-one good service. They have a team of analysts who filter and broadcast news to traders at banks and funds. And also, there are daily reports so you can get prepared for trading. If you go to this tab over here, you will see research. You can find all the market analysis here. Alright, so let's just click on one of these. And you can use all these analysis as a confirmation to your own research. Okay? What's going to happen to the markets in the next few weeks, few months, tomorrow. Okay, you can take your time and go through the research. Alright? And then over here you have important. These are all the important announcements. So if you feel that the headlines data is too noisy, you can just click on this tab and then you will just be able to see all the important announcements. Okay, from central banks, important global news, important geopolitical news. And if you want to check out an economic calendar, they have one also. Just click on calendar and then you can see something that's similar to, you know, the common websites like Forex Factory, Research Suit. So these are the daily reports over here, weekly reports, ad hoc reports. Okay, so you can take time and go through these. It's updated every day. Also a PDF form. Okay. So click on the reports and you have a very detailed, kind of like an economic calendar report. Okay. Special event Twitter deck. Let's click on this. To get started, please select a content category from the drop down menu in the top right of your screen. We'll remember your selection. Top right, top. You mean this one? FX currencies. Okay, so these are all the Twitter feeds that are related to Forex, and they classify nicely. In fact, USD, these are the Twitter feeds that are USD related. These are the Twitter feeds that are pound related. Of course, Twitter sometimes can be a bit noisy, okay? So if you don't know who to follow on Twitter, what to read and what not to read on Twitter, then this is a good so-called summary for you. Okay? Euro, Aussie feeds, and then Swiss franc feeds, Canadian feeds, Yen feeds, Yen, New Zealand, Chinese Yuan. And if you have any questions, you can contact support and all that. Okay? And also, if you don't understand how to use this website, you can also go through this tutorial. There's a little tutorial over here. Click the logo, hides the menu. Okay? Next. Ping sounds alert for new and updated headlines. If there's any more news website you want me to review, let me know. Because there are a lot more good FA websites that I want to recommend you. And if you need to go through a fundamental analysis course, I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. See you in the next video. Bye.